everybody, it's the Wayman. And the Wayman decided to hit the road and hit the skids and get out of California because of the nut jobs that are infesting that state and running the whole government of California. I couldn't take it anymore. The Wayman could not take it. So where is Wayman now? The Wayman is in Yuma, Arizona, at the Cracker Barrel. The Cracker Barrel where Wayman gets crackers out of the barrel. No, a lot of people didn't know why that was named the Cracker Barrel. Well, history says in 1800s there were a bunch of crackers in the barrel, and somebody had to eat them. Why not me? That's why I'm here. And besides, Cracker Barrel is very nice. Look what they let the Wayman do. The Wayman can stay in his RV. Oh yeah, that's pretty sweet, isn't it? At the Cracker Barrel. Everybody visit the Cracker Barrel. They got a lot of good food. It gives you a high cholesterol, but hell, we're all gonna die sometime, right? Boom, let's do it.
Baha, Arizona, right by the Mexican border. And we are in the central square or park or plaza. I don't know what you'd call it, but it's one of those choices.
Turn river, no, no.